Yeah, so hello everyone. So today I'll walk you through installation of IBM DB2 Genius Hub on Windows environment using GUI installer. So for that we can download the package from Fix Central website of IBM and there select, like you can search here. I have already typed, so it just popped up the option here. So IBM DB2 Genius Hub, we'll select here. Then it will ask for the version which you want to install. So I'll go with the latest version. So currently 1.1.3 is the latest, so I'll just select that one. And this one is supported for Linux, Mac and Windows, all three. So here I'm demonstrating the Windows and I'll select 64-bit Windows. You can select based on your Windows type. So yeah, after that let's continue. Yeah, now if you are looking for specific fixes, then search for that. Otherwise, go with the default option, browse for fixes, and just continue next. So basically it will give me three options here. So this is the Windows 64 GUI installation. Other one is like it is not mentioned GUI here, but this is a CLI installation, like the command line installation. And third is the remote pack. So this is optional one, but you can install that, but this is mandatory. So we'll just select GUI as we are going with the GUI installation for this demo. Select continue, and now it will show the download options. So I'll prefer the download using browser, and yeah, I also like to include prerequisites and co-requisite fixes. Yeah, then continue again. Okay, yeah, so it will ask to accept the terms. Yeah, I agree. Now it will give me this installation, like the installer basically. So this is a zip installer. I have already downloaded on my environment. It will take a bit. So yeah, once you have it downloaded, yeah, so in my downloads you can see it is already here, and I have extracted it using extract all. Yeah, so this is the file which contains all the installation files and the installer. Yeah, so this is the installer, IBM DB2 GeniusHub.exe. So once we double click here, it will just open a window to, yeah, a GUI for installation. So it first step is accepting the terms and conditions. So I accept it. Yeah, if you want to go through it, you can go through it. Yeah, so I have already read that. I'll just accept and next. Yeah, now it will ask like what kind of installation you are doing. If it's a free, sorry, the fresh installation, so perform a new installation of IBM DB2 Genius Hub. So I'll select first one because I'm doing the fresh installation. But if you are upgrading from existing IBM DB2 Intelligence Center to Genius Hub, then you have to select this option second. And if you are upgrading from IBM Data Management Console DMC to Genius Hub, then yeah, select this third option. So I'll go with the fresh installation. Yeah, go next. Yeah, so now the step specify credentials for default admin user. So this user is basically to log into the console, Genius Hub console basically. So default user ID is mentioned admin, but you are free to change that also. I'll keep it as admin only. Now enter password. Yeah, and re-enter. Okay, it matches. Yeah, I'll go next. Next, it will ask for ports. So this console will open on web. So it will ask for HTTP port and HTTPS port. So these are the default ports provided. But if you have any other service running on these ports, so you are free to update them. I'll keep it default and go next. So now it will start installation. Yeah, let's wait. Installing IBM DB2 Genius Hub. Yeah, so it took some time to install, and after that successfully installed IBM DB2 Genius Hub. I can see this message. So I'll just go next. Yeah, installation is complete. Access the Genius Hub using these URLs. So this is HTTP URL, this is HTTPS, and see, like we have mentioned the ports, these ports, so it is opening on these ports. So it is saying restart to complete the setup. After restart to complete the installation process, run below command to install Redis service. Yeah, so setup wsl.bat. We have to restart to complete the installation process. Finish. Let's restart. Yeah, so once the system is restarted, so inside this directory we can see this, like these are the folders, resources folder. So basically, as like this is the documentation for installing Genius Hub using GUI on Windows. So these steps we already completed about this task, running GUI installer, everything. So we have completed all these steps. So what to do next? So post installation we have to complete this WSL and Redis setup. So this is the same command which was given by the installer before restart. So we have to run this to execute WSL and Redis setup basically. So I'll just go into this Redis bundle. So this path is updated for the new release. So it's currently inside this installer path, then resources, go to bin, then add-ons, and yeah, Redis bundle. So in here we can see this setup wsl.batch file. So go to CMD, just launch that, CMD, yeah, and now we'll just execute setup wsl.batch file. Let's run that. Okay, it's not enabled. Checking virtual machine platform. Okay, Ubuntu. So yeah, this is done. Important. Agentic module depends on WS entities which require interactive user session. After system restart, please run restart.batch for db2gh. Okay. So these are the, let's check the documentation, what is mentioned next. So after running this, once all the services are installed, then system will ask you to restart the machine. After the system restart, run restart.batch to Genius Hub to ensure agentic module starts and operates as expected. Okay, so uh, same thing we can see here. Yeah, let me go back. So same thing, same message is shown here. So it requires restart. So let's restart it. Okay. Yeah, so the reboot is complete and this window automatically popped up. It is saying post reboot, continuing WSA, Ubuntu setup. So it will just complete the setup since restart was required. So after that there are few steps which it will complete now. So see, it made some progress here. So this is asking press any key to install Windows system for Linux. So I'll just press enter. Again it is waiting. This process will take some time, but it's fully automated, so it will just set up WSL for you. So let's wait. Yeah, so as you can see here, after multiple attempts of failure, so it was finally able to install Ubuntu, and yeah, WSL is set up correctly. So now the next step is, as per documentation, let's see. So yeah, once it will ask to restart the machine. After the system restart, run restart.batch file in db2genius. And yeah, here you can see restart.batch file, start.batch, stop.batch. So we can stop and then start. That is one option, or else we can run just restart.batch file. So I'll prefer stop and start option here. Let me just do that. CMD. Yeah, so stop.batch. It is stopping that is. Yeah, so it is proceeding here. See, like multiple steps. Yeah, so here it was able to start the services. That is, db2gs has started successfully with all modules. So yeah, next is okay. 2-3 minutes to complete, so it is still running. So yeah, after some time you can see DS web server started and we got the link to the console. So let's try to open the console. So it is launching the console. So now you have to remember the username password which we provided during the installation. I don't want to save it. Yeah, so first step is, yeah, so you can see Genius Hub console is launched, and this is the first step of setting up the RepoDB. So set up a repository database to enable monitoring, SQL statements and everything, database objects. So we have successfully installed Genius Hub on Windows using GUI installer. Thank you for watching.